Once you've created your form, you've published it, and you've sent it out, and it's now been completed by your users, you're going to want to look at the submissions. And to do that, you want to select your form. In this case, we've been using images. And you want to go over to the submissions link here and select that. Now for this exercise, I'm the only one that's submitted this form. So you can do a number of different things here with your submission list. Your list will be much longer than this. You'll have a number of people on here. You can look at each submission one at a time by selecting the ID, and you can see the submission ID, the date it was submitted, how it was, which distribution method was used, the participant, and the form name here. Then you've got the values that I submitted when I completed this form. You can also download the signature as an image file if you like. You can also export this as a CSV, a PDF, or a Word document, and you can also delete it. So if you go back to images here and look inside submissions, when you've got a number of submissions, you might just want to filter them. Now, if you attached a number of groups to this form, in this case there's only the one group and there's only one person in the group, but you might have a large organization and you have a number of different groups. Say you only want to see the submissions by a certain group. You just select the group and select apply. Now because nobody in this text group, I submitted this via an email distribution, so that's why I'm not coming up there. You can also filter it by date, and you can also filter it by distribution. So because I've did this by an email distribution, you can click apply, and that'll be my submission there. You can also do it by field. So say you only want the submissions where question 1, well, let's say question 4, because I know the answer to that one. Question 4 has value. This was the question about the nurse's smock, the color of the smock. And I'm going to just say white and select OK and apply. So now when you've got by field and by distribution both selected, you can actually configure each one here. So you've got by field, question 4 has value white, and by distribution email, and say by group, and you can configure that group, say Rob's test group, and apply that. And you'll see my name will disappear now because I'm not part of this group, my own group. And you can clear them again and apply. So that's how you view the submissions. You can also export the data by selecting Export All and selecting CSV, PDF, or Word. That's all I'm going to talk about in this video. Thank you very much.